Om Shanti. 13th November 2020. Babdada Sakar Murli. In the essence, Baba says, "Sweet children, this is a game of a maze. You repeatedly forget the Father. Let your intellects have faith and you will not get trapped in this game." Question. While seeing the time of settlement, what is the duty of you children? Answer. Your duty is to keep very busy with this study and not to get involved in other matters. The Father will seat you in His eyes, make you into a garland around His neck, and take you back with Him. Everyone has to settle their accounts and return home. The Father has come to take everyone back home with Him. Song. The resident of the faraway land has come to the foreign land. Om Shanti. The spiritual Father sits here and explains to you spiritual children that everyone in the world is general and Bharat in particular wants peace in the world. Let it be understood that only the Master of the world establishes peace in the world. One should only call out to God, the Father, to spread peace in the world. However, the poor people don't even know who it is they should be calling out to. This refers to the whole world. They want peace in the whole world. The land of peace, where you souls and the Father reside, is separate. Only the unlimited Father explains this. There are now innumerable human beings and religions in this world. They say, if there were one religion, there would be peace. However, the religions can't all be united. There is the praise of the Trimurti. Many also keep a picture of the Trimurti. You know that establishment takes place through Brahma. Establishment of what? It wouldn't just be of peace. There is establishment of peace and happiness. 5,000 years ago in Bharat, when it was their kingdom, all the other human beings had shed their bodies and gone home. Now they want one religion, one kingdom, and one language. You children understand that the Father is now establishing peace, happiness, and prosperity. The one kingdom will definitely exist here. Establishment of the one kingdom is taking place. This is nothing new. That one kingdom has been established many times before. As the number of religions expands, the tree continues to grow and the Father then has to come. It is souls that listen and study. The sanskars are in souls. I, a soul, adopt different bodies. It takes you children a lot of effort for your intellects to develop even this faith. You say, Baba, we forget this again and again. The Father explains, this is a game of maze. It is as though you have become trapped in this. You don't know how you can go back home or to your kingdom. The Father has now explained it to you, but you previously didn't know anything. The intellects of souls have become like stone. The stone intellects and divine intellects are remembered in Bharat. It is here that kings with the stone intellects and kings with divine intellects exist. There is also the temple to the Lord of Divinity. You souls now understand. Where you came from to play your parts. Previously, you didn't know anything. The world is called a forest of thorns. The whole world is a forest of thorns. You have never heard of fire breaking out in a garden of flowers. It is always a forest that catches fire. This too is a forest. It is definitely going to be set ablaze. The haystack is going to be set ablaze. This whole world is called a haystack. You children now know the Father, and you are sitting personally in front of Him. You used to sing, "I will only sit with you." All of that is now taking place. You are definitely studying the versions of God. God only speaks to you children. You know that God is teaching you. Who is God? Incorporeal Shiva is called God. God Shiva is worshipped here. Worshipping doesn't take place in the Golden Age. They don't even remember Him there. Devotees receive the kingdom of the Golden Age as the fruit of their devotion. You understand that you have performed the most devotion, and this is why you are the first ones to have come to the Father. You will then go to the kingdom. You children have to make full effort to claim a high status in the new world. You children desire to go to the new home quickly. Only at the beginning is the home new. It is then continues to grow older. The number of children in a home continues to grow. Children and grandchildren, etc., will be in an old home. They would say, "This home belongs to our grandfather or great-grandfather." There are many who will come later. The more intense the efforts you make, the earlier you will go to the new home. The Father explains very easy ways that you can make effort. They also make effort in devotion. The names of those who do a lot of devotion are glorified. They even have stamps made of some devotees. No one knows about the rosary of knowledge. First, there is knowledge, and then there is devotion. It is now in the intellects of you children that there is knowledge for half the time, which means for the golden and silver ages. You children are now becoming knowledgeful. A teacher always has full knowledge. The students receive marks number-wise. That one is the unlimited teacher. You are unlimited students. You students will pass number-wise just as you passed in the previous cycle. The Father explains that you are the ones who have taken 84 births. Over 84 births, you have had 84 teachers. You definitely have to take rebirth. At first, the world is definitely Sato Pradhan, and it then becomes old and Tamo Pradhan. Human beings also become Tamo Pradhan. At first, the tree is new and Sato Pradhan. New leaves are very good. This is an unlimited tree. There are many religions. Your intellects now have to go into the unlimited. The tree is so big. First of all, there is the original eternal deity religion, and then the variety of religions come. You have taken a variety of 84 births. That too is imperishable. You know that you go around the cycle of 84 births every cycle. You alone are the ones who go around the cycle of 84 births. No human soul takes 8.4 million births. There are many varieties of animal, etc. No one could even count them. The human soul takes 84 births. You have now become completely tired from playing your parts. You have become unhappy. While coming down the ladder, you have become Tamo Pradhan from Sato Pradhan. From Tamo Pradhan, the Father makes you Sato Pradhan again. The Father says, I come into the Tamo Pradhan world and into a Tamo Pradhan body. The whole world is now Tamo Pradhan. Human being asks, how there can be peace in the whole world? They don't know when there was peace in the world. The Father says, you have the pictures in your home, do you not? There was peace in the whole world when it was their kingdom. That is called heaven. The new world is called heaven, the golden age. This old one now has to change. The kingdom is being established. It was only their kingdom in the whole world. Many people go to the Lakshmi and Narayan temple. It doesn't enter their intellects that they were the masters of this Bharat, that there really was peace and happiness in their kingdom. It is a matter of 5,000 years ago when their kingdom existed. After half the cycle, the world is said to be old. Businessmen have a swastika on their account books. That too has a meaning. They simply call it Ganesh. They consider Ganesh to be a deity, the destroyer of obstacles. The swastika has 4 equal parts. All of that is the path of devotion. People celebrate Deepavali, festival of lights. In fact, the true Diwali is the pilgrimage of remembrance through which the lights of you souls are ignited for 21 births. You earn a great income. You children should have a great deal of happiness. This is your new account for the new world. You now have to accumulate an income for 21 births. The Father is explaining this to you children. Are you listening now while considering yourself to be souls? If you listen while considering yourselves to be soul, you experience happiness. The Father is teaching us. These are the versions of God. God is only one. He definitely comes and takes a body, because only then can there be the versions of God. No one knows this, and that is why people have been saying Neti Neti, neither this nor that. They say that He is the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Then they say that they do not know Him. They call Shiv Baba, and they also call Brahma Baba. They never call Vishnu Baba. Prajapita is also Baba. You are BKs. When you don't use the title Prajapita, they don't understand. There are so many BKs, and so there must also surely be Prajapita. This is why you must definitely write the word Prajapita. Then they will understand that Prajapita is their father. The new world is definitely created through Prajapita. We souls are first brothers, then When we adopt bodies, we become brothers and sisters. The children of the Father are imperishable souls. Then, in the corporeal form, we are brothers and sisters. This is why there is the name Prajapita Brahma. However, we don't remember Brahma. Only worldly fathers and the Father from beyond the world are remembered. No one remembers Prajapita Brahma. At a time of sorrow, people remember the Father, not Brahma. They say, "O God." They never say, "O Brahma." At a time of happiness, they don't remember anyone. There is nothing but happiness. No one knows this. You know that you have three fathers at this time. On the path of devotion, they remember their worldly fathers and the Father from beyond. In the golden age, they only remember their worldly fathers. At the confluence age, you remember all three fathers. You too have worldly fathers, but you understand that they are limited fathers. You receive limited inheritances from them. We have now found the unlimited Father from whom we receive the unlimited inheritance. This is something to be understood. The unlimited Father has now entered the body of Brahma in order to give you children unlimited happiness. By belonging to Him, you receive an unlimited inheritance. This is like receiving your grandfather's inheritance through Brahma. He says, "I give you your inheritance. I teach you. I have knowledge. Neither human beings nor deities have knowledge. I give the knowledge that I have in me to you children." This is a spiritual knowledge. You know that you receive a status from the spiritual Father. Churn the ocean of knowledge in this way. It is remembered. Those who conquer their minds conquer everything, whereas those who are defeated by their minds are defeated by everything. In fact, those who conquer Maya should be said, because the mind cannot be conquered. Human being asks, "How can there be peace of mind?" The Father asks, "How can a soul say that he wants peace of mind?" Souls are themselves residents of the land of peace. It is when a soul enters a body that he begins to act. The Father says, "Now stabilize yourself in your original religion. Consider yourselves to be souls. The original religion of the soul is peace. Where else would you find peace?" The example of the queen's necklace is based on this. Sannyasis give this example and then they themselves go into a forest to seek peace. The Father says, "The religion of you souls is peace. The land of peace from where you came to pay your fast is your home. You have to act through bodies. When you become detached from your body, there is dead silence. A soul takes another body, and so, why should you worry about anything? That soul is not going to come back again. However, attachment harasses you. Their attachment will not harass you. The five vices don't exist there. There is no kingdom of Ravan there. That is the kingdom of Ram. If it were always the kingdom of Ravan, people would become tired. They would never be able to experience happiness. You have now become Thisht. You are also Trikaladarshi. Human beings don't know the Father, and this is why they are called atheists. You children now understand that the scriptures from the past all belong to the path of devotion. You are now on the path of knowledge. The Father sees in you in His eyes and takes you back home with Him with so much love. He says, I make you all into the garland around my neck and take you back. Everyone calls out to Him. He makes those who have become ugly by sitting on the pyre of lust sit on the pyre of knowledge. He makes them settle their accounts and takes them back home. Your duty now is to study. Why should you become involved in other matters? How will people die? What will happen? Why should you become involved in any of that? This is the time of settlement. Everyone will settle their accounts and return home. You children have the secrets of this unlimited drama in your intellects. No one else has this. You children know that you come to Baba every cycle to claim your unlimited inheritance. We are living beings. The Father has come and entered a body. The Father says, I enter an ordinary body. I sit here and explain to him that he doesn't know his own birth. No one else can say, children, become soul conscious and remember the Father. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long-lost, now-found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the Mother, the Father, Bab Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children in return to the spiritual father says good morning, Namaste, Namaste, Namaste. Essence for Dharana. Point number 1. Stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance and celebrate the true Deepavali every day. You have to accumulate an income for 21 births in your new account. Keep the secret of the drama in your intellect and don't become involved in anything other than this. Settle all your karmic accounts. Blessing. May you be a true server who ignites many other lamps with the flame of love from the one lamp. May you be a true server who ignites many other lamps with the flame of love from the one lamp. On Deepavali, many lamps are ignited from one lamp, and Deepmala, garland of lights, is then celebrated. There is a flame in a Deepak lamp. In the same way, you Deepaks have the flame of love. When the love of each of Deepaks is connected to the one Deepak, it is then true Deepmala. So, you have to see that you Deepaks become the form of a flame with your deep love. Those who dispel the darkness of ignorance with their own light are true servers. Slogan. Always make the one lesson of one strength and one faith firm, and you will easily be able to come away from any whirlpool dilemma. Always make the one lesson of one strength and one faith firm, and you will easily be able to come away from any whirlpool dilemma. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba. Thank you.